Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve messenger time break. To know how to fix or to solve messenger time break, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will search about the window of messenger and you will enter. Here in this list of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Messenger. You can click uninstall and you will wait a moment, then you can install your application again. If it's not working with you, you can go to airplane mode, you can turn on, and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.